Welcome to Database Design Fundamentals, part of the System Design series. In this video, we'll delve into the decision framework for choosing between SQL and NoSQL databases. By the end, you'll have a solid understanding of when to use each type in your system design. Let's begin with an overview of the two main types of databases, SQL and NoSQL. SQL databases are structured, adhere to ACID principles, which stands for atomicity, consistency, isolation, durability, and use relational data with predefined schemas. NoSQL databases, on the other hand, offer flexible schemas, horizontal scaling, and support various data models. We'll explore these differences in more detail. Now, let's examine the characteristics of SQL databases. Key features include ACID properties, ensuring reliable transactions. They also have a structured schema, making data organization clear and consistent. SQL databases excel at managing complex relationships between data entities and provide strong consistency, meaning that data is reliable and accurate across the database. Here is an example of SQL code to create a table named Users. It has columns for ID, name, and email, where ID is the primary key and email is unique. Also, there is a sample query to select all information from Users table for a specific email. NoSQL databases come in various types, each suited to different needs. Document databases store data in JSON-like documents with flexible schemas. Examples include MongoDB and CouchDB. Key-value databases use simple key-value pairs for fast lookups, such as Redis and DynamoDB. Column family databases are designed for wide columns, often used for time series data, like Cassandra and HBase. Finally, graph databases use nodes and edges to represent relationships, such as Neo4j and Amazon Neptune. Let's look at a document database example using MongoDB. Key benefits include a flexible schema, allowing for easy changes in data structure, support for nested structures, enabling complex data representation. Document databases also facilitate rapid development and horizontal scaling, making them ideal for growing applications. Here's an example of a MongoDB document in JSON format. It includes fields like _ID, name, email, age, and a nested address field with street and city. So, when do you choose each type of database? Choose SQL when complex relationships exist, ACID compliance is required, the data format is structured, and strong consistency is needed. Conversely, choose NoSQL when a flexible schema is required, horizontal scaling is a must, rapid development cycles are in place, and you are dealing with big data and high volume. The CAP theorem states that you can only guarantee 2 out of 3 properties in a distributed system: consistency, availability, and partition tolerance. Consistency means that every read receives the most recent write or an error. Availability means that every request receives a response, without guarantee that it contains the most recent write. Partition tolerance means that the system continues to operate despite arbitrary partitioning due to network failures. Choose based on your system requirements, prioritizing the 2 most critical properties for your use case. Here are the key takeaways from this video. First, understand your data structure and relationships thoroughly before choosing a database. Second, consider scalability requirements and consistency needs, weighing the trade-offs. Third, there is no one-size-fits-all solution, so analyze your specific use case to make the best choice for your system. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.